What's the meaning of complicated? Complicated. Complicated.
Complicated. Complicated. The word complicated refers to something that is not simple and easy to understand or deal with. It often describes a situation, process or system that involves many intricate parts, which have complex relationships or interactions with each other. A complicated issue can be difficult to solve or explain, and it may require a lot of time, effort and expertise to handle effectively. Hence, in general, the term complicated connotes a level of complexity that goes beyond the ordinary or straightforward, and requires extensive analysis, planning or action to unravel or manage.